everyone, Miss Joelle here for Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking about a Google Chrome extension called OneTab. So you're going to start by signing into the Chrome Web Store, so you can just Google that. And when you get here, you're going to type OneTab. You'll go ahead and click on OneTab. Instead of remove from Chrome, yours should say add to Chrome. And I do suggest that once you get it into Chrome that you pin it up here, so you can see mine's here. You can do that by clicking the puzzle piece and making sure that the blue pin is colored blue, so it'll show up on your dashboard. Once you have downloaded the OneTab, this is an incredible extension that allows you to save all of your open tabs. So if you are someone whose screen looks like mine, see how I have a zillion tabs open right now, and you get like stressed out because you want to reshut down your computer or restart your computer, but you don't want to lose all your tabs and have to deal with figuring out what was open. All you have to do is go to your OneTab extension and literally click it and watch what happens. All of those 19 tabs that were just open here are now saved in OneTab. Now, once they're saved in OneTab, you have a couple of options. So they are all saved together because they were all in one browser. So you can name the browser, so you can see that like I have certain things saved over here on my tabs. So these are things that I can easily reopen all together. So I like to do it that way where I have things categorized. That is helpful to me. That way, when I'm ready, if I want to bring all of those tabs back, I can just restore all, and here they all are again, right? Now, instead of restoring all, if I wanted to, I could just click a specific one to just open that one tab. If I don't need all of these saved, because I just opened a bunch of random tabs, I can just click delete all and all of this will disappear. So I'm going to delete those because I don't need them. Okay, so these are my tabs that I'm working with. In order to have them stay in OneTab after you reopen them, you do have to change your options. So like, for example, I'm going to open my library pinned tabs right now. So these are all the tabs that I like to have open when I start off every day at the library. So you can see that library pin tabs is still there. That was a setting that I had to change. So if you come over here to options, I have my tabs, I like them to open in a new window. So that was not a primary setting. I wanted pin tabs because I do keep a lot of them pinned. And then this is the one. You want to keep them in your OneTab list instead of removing it once you open them up again. So those were just some options that I had to change. Okay, a couple other things about OneTab. So let's say right here I had all of my, pinned tabs open. And let's say I just realized like, oh my gosh, you know what? I really need this PolyStaff website pinned with all of my stuff over here. So in order to add it to my pin, I'm on the website, I'm going to right click and you'll see this OneTab option. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to where it says named tab groups because I want to send this to my specific group. So I want to send it to my library pinned tabs. So I'm going to send only this tab to library pinned tabs. And so now when I come back into my library pin tabs, I can see that now I have PolyStaff there. If I actually don't want that and I change my mind, I can just exit out over here with these X's. Okay, so this is a really, really cool way to be able to store things that you frequently have open, or even like if you temporarily have something open. Like at home, I'm working on a school project, so I have like all these tabs that I need for that project and I can put them in here. Now, the only bummer about OneTab is that it does not save things from computer to computer. So like this is all my work ones. I don't have these same things open on my home ones. So what you can do to kind of troubleshoot that is you can see here there's an option to share all as a web page. So now I've created a web page of these work tabs, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to favorites it, add it to my bookmarks. And so you can see I have it, I already had an older version over here, but here's my one tab, so this will bookmark this website. So now if I'm at home, I can click my bookmark and I'll see exactly what my work tabs are. The only problem again is you can see like this one's older, so now I want the more updated one, so I'm gonna delete this one. So you do have to update the website every time you make changes on one tab. But if you set it up so that you typically have like the same things open pretty frequently, so like at home I have the same tabs, at work these are mainly what I use, I can go ahead and organize it that way so that I don't have to change it that frequently. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions about anything, feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon and have a wonderful winter break.